A single grain of rice can withstand the pressure of 33,000 pounds per square inch, a force equivalent to the weight of 5 elephants. This remarkable strength is due to the crystalline structure of starches within the rice grain. The rigid arrangement of molecules in starch creates a highly resistant material, capable of withstanding immense pressure. But what happens when we try to crush a grain of rice with a spoon? The spoon, being a simple yet elegant tool, has been used for centuries to manipulate and eat food. However, have you ever stopped to think about the chemistry behind the spoon's ability to pierce and scoop food? The answer lies in the spoon's material properties, specifically its ability to withstand thermal shock and resist corrosion. Imagine a spoon made of silver, which has been used for centuries in cooking and eating due to its excellent conductivity and malleability. But when we try to pierce a grain of rice with a spoon, we're not just dealing with metal and starch, we're dealing with complex chemical reactions. The spoon must penetrate the outer layer of the grain, which is made up of a waxy substance called cutin, before reaching the starch inside. As the spoon enters the grain, it encounters a maze of tiny channels and pores, which slow down the penetration process. But that's not the strangest part, because the spoon's metal is actually reacting with the starch to create a chemical bond, which slow down the penetration process, known as a Maillard reaction, is responsible for the browning of food and the development of new flavors. It's like a tiny explosion of flavor, where the spoon's metal is catalyzing a chemical reaction that's changing the very nature of the food. And then something unexpected happened. When I started to experiment with different types of metal and food combinations, I discovered that certain metals, like copper and zinc, can actually enhance the Maillard reaction, creating new and exciting flavors. But other metals, like stainless steel, can suppress the reaction, resulting in a bland and unappetizing taste. As I continued to experiment, I realized that the type of food being pierced also played a crucial role in the chemical reaction. For example, when I pierced a grain of rice with a spoon made of copper, the resulting flavor was sweet and nutty, while piercing a grain of wheat produced a savory and earthy taste. The possibilities are endless, and the chemistry behind the spoon's ability to pierce and scoop food is truly fascinating. It's a reminder that even the simplest tools, like the spoon, can be used to create complex and delicious foods. So the next time you pick up a spoon to eat your favorite meal, remember the intricate chemistry that's happening right before your eyes.
The spoon is not just a simple tool, it's a catalyst for flavor and a key to unlocking the secrets of food science.
That's the story of how a simple spoon can become catalyst for a flavor and a powerful key to tool in the world of food, unlocking the chemistry. Want more mind-blowing facts about food science? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and stay up to date with the latest developments in food science and cooking chemistry.